So this is the pound dollar analysis for Friday the 1st of June. Now let's just have a look at our prices and where price may likely go. So previously we had price come down towards that 132 level, from which we did see the bullish buy side momentum take us up towards the 3304. Brief pullback, retest of that level, a shallower pullback, but then we had a break of 3304. So we did have price head up towards that 3350, and we did, as I mentioned, the added confluences we had around 3350. We had the 200 period moving average as well as a horizontal level around 3350, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from that level, and that's pretty much what we saw. So the sell side momentum return to the market from the 3350, taking us all the way down towards this 3281, from which we have appeared to have held some support here. So if we do see this momentum follow through to the upside, we are looking for a break, and possibly if we do hold 3304, we'll be looking for a move up towards our 3350 while being aware of the 200 period moving average, which could potentially act as a dynamic level of resistance, and see sell side momentum come back into market from that level. If we do break beyond 3350, we're then looking for a price head towards our 3368, and if there is sufficient volatility to the upside, a retest of the 134.29, where we do have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of possibly seeing a retracement here to the downside. If, however, we do fail to hold support in around the 32.81, we are then looking for prices to retrace all the way down towards our 32.20. Successful break from which we're then looking for prices down towards our 31.93. And beyond 31.93, the very next level that we are looking at here to the downside, beyond 31.93 would be a move down towards our 31.47 here on the pound against the dollar. What we'll do now is we'll have a look here at the daily chart. Get a scale on you correct. Now what we have seen here on this daily chart is, after having a somewhat positive reaction, having retracement, seen a follow through, we've had a bit of a rejection here, as indicated by the wick, a pretty sizable wick at that, indicating the level of sell side momentum. So there is a possibility of seeing further retracement here to the downside before seeing an upwards move here on the pound against the dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.